Stop staring at this mess. It's not going to turn into a working PCB by itself. PCB layout is where hardware dreams go to suffer. It's 3 AM. Your differential pairs still aren't matched. DLC is yelling at you again. You moved one component and now the routing is in a mess again. Meanwhile, someone else already sent there to production. Stop fighting your layout. Send your schematic to our PCB Layout Service. You provide the schematic, dimensions, and requirements. We handle the rest. Once the layout is done, you are ready to build. High-speed routing, multi-layer boards, HDI design, DFM optimization, manufacturing-ready layout. For boards under 90 pins, layout starts at just $50. Probably cheaper than the coffee set boards already cost you. Altium, KitKat, Eagle. Pick your platform, we will design it. From layout to assembly, all under one roof. Layout matters, but it shouldn't slow your product down. PCB Layout Service. You build the idea, we build the board.